channel. I hope you all are being blessed today. I hope you all are happy and good spirits because we are going to continue on with our Valentine's Day DIY series. Y'all, I picked up these little clocks from Didi's. They were $6.99. I think they are so cute, and I was trying to think of what I could do with them. So I actually saw a clock from Z Gallery, and it gave me like perfume vibes or whatever. The way the clock is, it kind of looks like a perfume bottle. So we're going to kind of, get inspiration off of that today, and we are going to glam these two little clocks up. So for this first little clock, these are going to be simple DIYs. So for this first clock, all I'm going to do is take some of our hot glue, and we're going to glue these little pieces together. All I did was put some diamond wrap on these little blocks. I'm just going to stick them together like that, glue them, and this is how it should look. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this glue here, we're just going to put it on top of there like that. And then we're going to take our little hearts, and it was just that simple. We're just gonna put it together like this. Just a simple DIY. Then the next little the little clock we're gonna take our silver bling wrap, and we are going to go over this block. Okay, Glam Fam, so this is how our clocks turned out. I think they are amazingly cute, like really, really cute for, Valentine's Day or just any day, They are, I'm trying to give y'all some DIYs that y'all could use throughout the entire year, not just for, Valentine's Day. So I hope this helps y'all. So anyway, I think it is cute. So let's look at how our other DIY turned out. Okay, Glam Fam, so for this next DIY, which is, like I said, my favorite Valentine's Day DIY, we're going to use some of our bling wrap. We're going to use this mirrored tile. We're going to use this little display, heart-shaped display. And I got that from Dollar Tree. And we're going to use these frames, so 4x4 and 4x6 from Walmart. And they were really super cheap. So what I'm going to do is open up the picture frames. So what we're going to do is take this picture frame and we're going to glue this side of the picture frame. We're just going to glue the bottom piece to the top piece. Make sure it's sturdy. And if you like, you can use some heavy duty glue if you're not going to reuse these picture frames. I am. So I'm just using some hot glue. But I did use the, the Gorilla glue sticks because they stick better. And I got that from Valerie's Glamorous Castle. She is awesome. Okay, so, because I was using straight Walmart. So, now what we're going to do is we're going to take a piece of this tile. This is going to be a simple and easy DIY, y'all. We're just going to cut the ends off. Y'all, my scissors are kind of dull, but they're going to get the job done. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is lay the picture frame flat. We're going to take our glue and go around the edges with the glue. And we're just going to place the mirrored tile on there. Now, the thing is, you can get some foam board. I'm not going to do this because I'm just showing you, but you can get some foam board and make the back a little bit more flatter. And what I'm doing here is, the thing about this towel is it gives you some playing room, so I'm just pushing it down to make it fit to the picture frame. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do the back the exact same way, but of course the back is better. And if y'all can come up with a different way of doing this, then, kudos to you. I'm not trying to make this last forever. Now, if I did, I would, do something else to it to make sure that it, it stays. And like I said, you can make it fit perfect if you like. I mean, I get it, but I'm not trying to do that. I'm giving you ideas and ideas only. So, you know. Okay, so we're going to take some of our bling wrap and we're going to go around the edges of our picture frame. So I'm going from here all the way around to the other side. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our little display or paperweight or whatever this is from Dollar Tree. And we're just going to glue it on and place it right here. And so now we have two bookends. Okay, Glam Fam. So this is the result of the bookends. I am loving them. So check this out, y'all. Y'all can take these hearts off and put something else on there like gems or whatever. You know, this is just for Valentine's Day, but you can take them off and reuse them throughout the whole entire year. So you don't have to just use them for Valentine's Day. So I hope you all like what you see, and if you do, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs.